And now Seattle the other way. Rybinski will dump it in on net. Fancy will sweep it. Quickly picked up down low by Seattle. Richards gets it to Philp. He'll wait, hold, fires it, scores! Inside the near post. Noah Philp may have banged it in off of Alexeyev, the defenseman, and he may have done it purposely. Richards gets it to Philp. He'll wait, hold, fires it, scores! By Seattle. Richards gets it to Philp. He'll wait, hold, fires it, scores! Inside the near post. Noah Philp may have banged it in off of Alexeyev, the defenseman. And the Rebels will fire it back in. Icing waved off as Ross left it behind the net. Rebels put it in front and score. We're tied at 1. Ross left it behind the net. Rebels put it in front and score. We're tied at 1. Goes behind the goal under pressure by Tyszka, working to the top of the zone. Stolen by Richard. Got it past Alexeyev, who falls down. And Richards falls down. Wedman jumps up to join him. Across the shot, score! Matthew Wedman from Sean Richards. It's 2-1 Seattle. Goes down. Wedman jumps up to join him. Across the shot, score! Matthew Wedman.
Day. Thunderbirds hockey on 1090 KJR.
Seattle in the Washington Lottery power play is a shot by Philp, tipped and scored. Maybe Rybinski on the redirect in front that gives Seattle the power play goal and a 3-1 lead. Seattle in the Washington Lottery power play is a shot by Philp, tipped and scored. Center ice off the rebound by Red Deer. Lee slapped one onside, didn't get full force behind that shot, kind of slid into the zone, stolen in front by Kukuca, snaps a shot, he scored! Andrej Kukuca, Kukuca, he makes it 4-1 to Seattle. Stolen in front by Kukuca, snaps a shot, he scored! Under 5 to go in the period. Tyszka flips the puck in toward the net on the pad, save, rebound, Rybinski flipped it in front, Wedman backhands one in front, loose puck, score! It's 5-1 Seattle. Rebound, Rybinski flipped it in front. Wedman backhands one in front. Loose puck. Score! From Kukuca. Broken up by Hausinger out of the box. Alexeyev. Tyszka jumping back. A blast on goal, and Alexeyev out of the box will score to make it 5-2. Breckenwood shot block, rebound, Hagel out the other direction, jumping up into the zone is Zaytsev behind the defense, Cohen scores! And the T-Birds lead is 2 now at 5-3. Jumping up into the zone is Zaytsev behind the defense, Cohen scores! To Alexeyev, blue line, Bartow, his shot through traffic, on the glove, what a save made there! Backside shot on net, blocked away by Seattle's Tyszka. Again, without a stick, able to kick the puck. Williams, or Volkin gave his stick up. Made the shot, save, rebound, shot, score. T-Birds lead is 1. The Rebels have made it a 5-4 game and still 1:26 remaining. Gave his stick up, made the shot, save, rebound, shot, score. T-Birds lead is 1. Shot there by Hausinger, blocked by Seattle off Kelusky. Tied it up, chipped it out. Rolling puck, empty net chance. Wedman scores! And Seattle makes it 6-4 with just under a minute remaining. Jackson Kelusky does the hard work, winning that puck battle along the right boards inside the Seattle zone. By Donahoe, that will end the game. Seattle builds a 5-1 lead, holds on for a 6-4 victory. They will maintain their hold on that final playoff spot in the Western Conference. Got a little dicey there in the third period, but in the end, Seattle will prevail. Build a nice 3-game winning streak against Red Deer, going back 2 seasons. Winning 2 years ago in this building 4-1, winning last year in Red Deer 4-2, and picking up the 6-4 win here tonight. Not the third period Seattle wanted, but it was good enough as they pick up the victory, improve their record now to 22, 27, 5-1, 50 points on the season. And the T-Birds, as we said, will maintain their hold on 8th place in the West.